Say good morning.
Morning.
Say sorry I'm naked.
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 No.
Right? Did you go potty? Okay. Good morning. We are a mess. We slept in trying to rejuvenate our bodies a little bit because I literally feel like I have shin splints. So today's quick tip is, first of all, I want to comment on Mr. Potasik's video that he posted out. All of our 117 families, you can get devices this week, tomorrow, and there's tons of opportunities to get free, if not cheap, Wi-Fi for the next few months for those of you that cannot get it. But my advice today is, as everyone's stuck at home cleaning things out, organizing, doing all those things, if you have any extra things like pencils, paper, books, she's hungry, anything like that you can donate to kids. I know I have a couple in the homeless shelter or that just are stuck at home with older siblings all day and they just don't have the resources. If you'd want to donate them, let me know, or let a local teacher know that you can get a hold of, and share it instead of just throwing it away. I mean, even like scrap paper, like we just reuse it, kind of upscale it. So if you need any help hooking up with somebody that could help, let me know. Now she's hanging out the window. But that's really all I have for today. Hang in there. Even though we are physically not in school, school is still happening. So help your kiddos out. And if you need help, there's tons of us ready to help. So I've got to go because she's super hungry and wants me out of bed. So have a good day.